Generation Y, which is my generation, which is ending up in lots of conflict with younger generations. We were born in an era where everything was possible. New generations are focusing on different things. I think that allows for maybe a topic somewhere in the future for HSMAI. Authenticity. People are valuing the value of things that cannot be reproduced. Experiences, if you like. Things that are not easily reproduced. Something that you feel, this is mine, this is special.
Or copy-paste. We do a lot of copy-paste with the technology, but in real life, that's also the discussion.
People want something and say, oh, you know, we were in Curacao, and we spoke to this person, they said, let me take you to this place and show you this place where the turtles come, and it was so special, we were there early in the morning. People will always remember that, and will go away with those stories, because they feel we're the only one who had that opportunity to see that, to hear that. We were lucky enough to meet that person. They told us their family story. That's the type of thing people are looking for. They want to have the idea, this is special.